Whoa, it's dark already. What happened? Oh, I'm getting inside. That's what I'd like to do. As in, that's what he said. Whatever. No, you can't go down there. Can I jump yet? Yes, I can. I see an item, and I kinda want it. Or I see something anyway, and it's flashing, so it must be something good.
Alice?
No.
Honey?
She's dead.
The old door had played a trick on me. Alice wouldn't have come out in the dark.
She's disappeared. Oi. Wait. Yeah, it was. Oh, for fuck's sake. She's ruined it.
I'm sure he's glad to be here too. Well, folks, I guess the secret's out. This is Pat Main on KBFFM. Now some music.
Some rubbish music. Yeah, tell me about it. Fuck. There's nothing over there. Unless the draw distance is too low to spawn it for me. But I can't be asked. Ah! Get off my porch! And don't poop on my deck. It's called the poop deck for a reason. No, it isn't. That's on a boat. Ugh. Ugh. Fish. No wonder it smells in here. I just thought it was Alice.
A shoebox filled with books by Thomas Zane sat on the shelf.
Oh, not him.
I'd never heard of him before.
Oh, never mind. It's not him. Hello?
Alan, I'm upstairs. I have a surprise for you.
Oh my god, is it a bedroom? What a typical surprise for a love story. Oh, what's the point of locked doors in my own house? Light. Oh god, oh god. Excitement rising.
Surprise!
Oh.
Alice? What is this?
This is the
I
surprise.
guess I have a small confession to make.
Do you?
I thought maybe you could write here that a change of scenery would get you past...
Damn, Alice,
Oh.
Everyone keeps...
Hey, just hear me out.
No.
There's a local doctor, Dr. Hartman. I read a book of his. He has a private clinic here. He specializes in helping artists.
So now you want to get me committed?
Oh, for
No,
fuck.
it's not like that.
Drama.
That's not...
We just got here.
Alan? Alan?
What?
Just don't! I don't want to hear it! God damn it, Alice!
Whoa! You knocked her boob off.
God damn it! I knew she wouldn't follow me in the dark. I needed some time alone to think things through.
Oh my god, calm down. Whoa. There's nothing there to trip over, you clumsy oaf. What waste of batteries.
Damn it.
What? Damn it, the flashlight works. This game's going to be too easy now.
Alice?
Oh no, she died!
Alice!
Oh, that was a face right there.
The cabin had gone dark. All the lights were out.
I'm outside. Don't worry. Oh my god, I saw up the bird's ass. Ow! What are the fluff bunnies? I'll try, but you know, I was being attacked by pigeons, as in crows. I'm back already. It's alright, it's just darkness. Oh. She escaped the darkness by jumping into the water. Oh no. Oh no. Don't tell me I can swim in this game. That'll just increase the exploration levels to ungodly.
Keep going.
Oh!
Wake up.
Alice?
No, she's in Wonderland now. Why am I in a car? When did I get here?
Waking up in the crashed car felt like I had woken from one nightmare and entered another.
Probably did.
I couldn't remember how I got there.
Neither could
All
I.
I knew was that something terrible had happened to Alice.
How do you know? For all you know, you
The phone
saved
was
her.
dead.
Oh.
I'd have to find help on foot.
God, if you don't remember, for all you know, you saved her from the water and now she's absolutely fine. Hey, look, my book.
Among Alice's things was a book,
never
The
mind.
Creator's Dilemma, by a Dr. Emil Hartmann.
Oh, not him.
Seeing the book brought back my fight with Alice.
God.
I didn't like it, and I didn't like the guy's smug face on the cover
He's
either.
not smug, he's just happy because he's published a book. For once in his life. Is there any map of some sort? I don't know. Oh! Ah! I fell down a hedge, as in off an edge. Oh my god, I have an itch. Wait, that doesn't rhyme. Excuse me. Useless fucking craftsmanship.
The gas station was my best bet.
Yeah.
They'd have a phone I could use.
Yeah,
It
probably.
looked like a long hike through the forest to get there.
There's something glowy over there as well, so we know we're going to get there at some point. Oi, turn the flashlight on.
Damn.
What? Oh my god, oh, there goes your ride. Guess you're going to have to go on foot. Oh wait, you already were. What an idiot. How did that happen? Well, at least that means you have to stay on vacation now, because you can't get home. And why is he on the left side of the camera now? I thought he was on the right side before. This game just can't make up its mind. Oh. I don't know. Ugh.
Hello?
Can we find a hidden dungeon to explore? No. Oh no, it's the light from my nightmare. Hello, light from my nightmare.
Hello? Someone there?
No, it's just some paper playing tricks on you again. Oh, it's got writing on it. I'm not going to read it.
The loose sheets of paper were pages from a manuscript entitled Departure.
Oh.
That was the name I planned to use for the next novel I had never gotten started.
Oh my god.
I was named the author.
What?
I hadn't written it. I couldn't remember writing it.
Oh, you must have.
In the scene on the page, the hero was attacked by an axe murderer in the woods at night.
Well, that's a lie because you weren't. So I don't know who wrote that bullshit, but I want my money back. All 0p of it. Yeah, P. Because, you know, oh, I'm so British. That wasn't British. I don't know what that was. Right, chaps, where am I? I don't know. I'm already British. You don't need to try and do a fake British accent. Oh, yeah.
Anybody there? Please!
What?
I've been in an accident!
No, no one's there. What are you on about? I wasn't even looking that way. Plonk. Yeah, let's just go, shall we? Yeah, we shall. Hello? Is anyone up here? Nope. Who are you calling to, you silly twonk? Whoa. What a lovely night. It is actually. I wouldn't mind being here.
The lights up ahead were a good sign. Maybe I wouldn't have to hike all the way down to the gas station to find a phone.
Yeah, hopefully not. You probably will, though. You'll probably have to shine some light at people on the way. Pardon me. Uh-oh, a tree fell in and broke the electric fence. Now the dinosaurs are gonna get out. Good. Dinosaurs are sex, I mean awesome. It's not fair. Stupid fucking meteor ruined everything. Oh! We'd be dead if it didn't. No. We'd learn to live in harmony, just like we have with tigers and stuff. I want a pet Tyrannosaurus, it's not fair. Oh, Tomb Raider. Ah! Ugh! Ah! Whatever. Logging.
Anybody there?
No.
Please! Hey! Hey, you!
No, there's no one there.
There's been an accident! I need help!
Listen, I need to...
Cabins for rent in
I think you can just tell he's evil.
Coral Stucky.
Oh.
To meet you, non-refundable reservation deposit required.
Well, you're just a bit silly.
Fair and square.
Sorry, but I haven't got a flashlight right now. That means I can't fight you yet. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it means that anyway. Why aren't you balancing on this one like a Tomb Raider mobile? I don't know where he's buggered off to, but he has. Why are you saying pleased to meet you again? You were already pleased. I guess he's just double pleased to meet me, because I'm that special.